Are you looking for the best home printers? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best home printers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. HL L2460DW. Even though the Brother HL L2460DW runs nice and quiet, it was one of the faster printers in my testing, making it a great choice for a home office or classroom that doesn't need color. If you're printing out dozens of pages per day, all of them in black and white, and never scanning, you'll save a lot of cash going with the laser option. Setup isn't entirely intuitive. There's only a single line readout, and limited buttons for entering a Wi-Fi password, but I only had to struggle with it once. Once it's running, it requires little to no upkeep or changing settings. It's fast, cheap to run daily, fits cleanly onto any shelf, and just needs a power cable. Number 2. HL L3280CDW. As long as you don't need a scanner, I'd check out the Brother HL 3280CDW. It printed slower than the black and white model, but still fast for the group, with a nice crisp detail level, and it isn't too noisy. The touchscreen makes setup and adjusting options straightforward, and I was able to set it and forget it. This no-frills printer is great for mostly black and white with occasional color printing, with a fairly compact footprint and a second manual feed paper tray. The only downside here is that it's fairly new, so the updated toner cartridges haven't had a chance to come down in price yet. Number 3. EcoTank ET-2980. Setting up and maintaining an ink tank printer adds a few extra steps, and I was a little wary of them at first. This Epson EcoTank ET-2980 was the most straightforward and non-threatening I tested. The ink bottles mount right into keyed holes, so you can't mix them up, with no extra drips or dribbles, and there were no extra bits to install or configure, just a one-time scan sheet to check the alignment. It was also the easiest to secure if I needed to move it without getting ink everywhere. Print quality is excellent, and slower than the laser printers, but quick enough for most home use. It also includes a flatbed scanner, making it one of the best-equipped printers for the price, particularly when you take into account the savings from refillable ink. My only minor complaint here is that it uses a vertical feeding paper tray from the rear, which means a lower 100-page print capacity. The upshot is that means better paper compatibility, since the pages don't have to make a complete turn. Number 4. Color LaserJet Pro MFP 3301 SDW. The HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP 3301 SDW is probably more feature-packed than most casual users would need, but if I showed up to work one day and it was near my desk, I'd say Santa came early. This would be a great fit for a home office where multiple people are often printing out full-color promotional sheets or invitations. It's fully connected, with dual-band Wi-Fi, Ethernet, and USB, so you could park this anywhere in your small office and have the whole team printing. It's fast enough I won't be waiting on someone else to finish their job, and quiet enough I wouldn't be mad to sit nearby. My only minor complaint here is that the document feeder up top likes to crunch documents if you don't get the holders positioned exactly right, so just make sure to use the flatbed for anything important. Number 5. OfficeJet Pro 9125E. While I think ink tank and laser printers offer a better value and user experience, I can understand feeling more comfortable dealing with classic ink cartridges. This upgraded HP OfficeJet Pro 9125E is the newer model of the printer that powered my business for the last year or so. It's fully featured, with both a flatbed and document scanner, and it was one of the speedier printers I tested with full color printing. It also boasts the widest support for paper types and sizes on the list, although it doesn't always grab the right number of pages when working with thicker stock, something I noticed on the older version as well. With an easy setup process, minimal software needed, and wide feature set, this would be a great option for people who don't want to think about their printer often, they just want it to work when they need it.